Everyone deserves to be happy. Therefore, no one should be happy until we are all happy, or else we have to steal their happiness. As you sit and watch your colleague in the corner celebrating his invention, why in the hell's fire should you sit and watch? Go and crush his dreams and happiness. Take the credit. As he is still jubilating, swiftly move to your supervisor or the patent office and file his invention. Take the credit alone and claim that you're the one who made it and discovered the invention. Now why are you looking at me with that face? Look at this bozo. You think they will share happiness with you? No. Divide and rule. Oh, I may be a boss, and your subordinates are merry and joyful as a cocoon in a berry plant, and you're seated in the corner alone with your worries. Get up, idiot. Go favor a few and leave others unfavored. Choose a few in the group and reward them with vacations, bonuses, and gifts. And later, sit and watch how jealous and malice swallows the group that was once happy. Criticism. I get this from hobos, low value people who be like, oh, she's a celeb. There is nothing I can do about her. Listen, dear, everyone is insecure. You see that celeb? She needs your validation. She needs you to tell her that her latest album was fire and she will be happy. And you're gonna hand her happiness? That's what I thought. Just comment that the album was a horse danger, and if you gave a dog a mic, it would do a better job breaking boundaries. Do you have a colleague or a friend who is always positive and forward thinking, yet you have your problems and they seem uninterested? Give them a taste of their own medicine and see how they lose it. Open their jar of cookies and start touching each cookie with unwashed hands. The best can be licking them and putting them back while they are seeing. Enter the shower unexpectedly and just play it cool. See how they lose it. It's gold, man. Time is money and I won't give you. This is my personal favorite. So a stranger wants to meet you and you schedule time to meet. Then you come 4 hours later and find them sweating. Their faces like a baboon's behind after taking a bath. Then you ask them this question, I hope I wasn't much late, huh? Feedback is the king. This is for the salespeople. Sometimes we are just depressed and looking for a bottle of antidepressant. Then this fake salesperson goes like, can I interest you with some cookies? They are exotic and from France. And on top of that, they put on the fake smile. So just stop, pause, look into their face and go like, these cookies which smell like they have been made out of sewage. Then continue with your journey. Look at them as darkness dawns in their soul. Sorry not to be bothered. Now, there is a family member who is always preaching about good news, about some omniscient being, on how you need to stop playing your video games and that you should stop shaking hands with the milkman so that you can go in this utopia of theirs. Here just seem uninterested. Counter-argue with statements like, hair is good. It has guns, booze, hot chicks. Why would I forego such a place? Mr. Prom says. The above members are always in alliance with a vagrant who always be like, hey man, just give me 20 bulbs and the almighty Jah will bless you with abundance. Just don't get angry yet. That will be terrible and you'll feel the pain alone. Go like this. Man, just 20 bulbs? Don't worry. Next week I'll give you 50 bulbs. And when the next week comes, make it next month and next year. 2 words, not bad. I know after they will go for yoga or meditation to bring inner peace. What a bunch of jacks. They think we are done? No, this is just a beginning. Can you talk 1,000 words per minute? Then go and break their meditation. No one gets inner peace here. At least not until everyone gets it. I have more. Shut up. Okay, this dude bought a new folding phone. You know the drill. Oh, you brought a folding phone? That's cute. I've ordered 2 pairs of these Apple things. These Apple eye things. I don't know their names, but I know 1 pair goes to your mama. Be a better you. Okay, you've killed a lot of happiness here. If you don't want more trouble, you also need to improve yourself. Go and buy that Gucci bag, baby. Look nice, smell nice, eat nice. Your haters will be mad and they will never ever see happiness again. The quiet one wins, and when it's your time to be attacked, stay calm, smile, and enjoy their jokes. Deep down, you will be so hurt, but don't show them your weakness. Be stronger than them. I'm leaving. Remember, when darkness falls, it's you alone. Hey, you're still here. Really? Okay, I'm out. I'm Demas. See you next.